Hello, friends. Let's look into this new development regarding tariff war. So, with the expectations that tariff war will it become more fierce with the new Trump regime coming in January 2025 or not? How it will impact India? Or is there any benefit? Tariff war between US and China has a benefit for India, but not when it comes to imposition of tariffs on India. Also, we were talking about India can take the opportunity or leverage this opportunity to boost our exports or to boost the local manufacturing. But will it stay for a longer time is the question. The major sunrise sector that has benefited before is electronics, pharma, and engineering goods. And also, the threat of tariffs which exist on the Indian commodities includes steel and the aluminium sector. So, are we looking into the free trade agreements and diversifying these sectors? Added to this is the challenge of cross border adjustment mechanism, the carbon border adjustment mechanism being imposed by European Union on the steel exports of India. So, making it more competitive. And another challenge with this is the import of the the raw materials related to the manufacturing of steel, which will somewhere be a concern for the domestic competitiveness of the steel industry in India. So there are multiple things which needs to be realigned given the changing geopolitical situation. So see you soon with the next topic.